Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 50A Prime and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app, find the music you would like to hear on your TV, and then tap the button in the top right corner. Select Cast to your TV, confirm, and it's done. Now your devices are linked. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.